Hello and welcome to our I Am family. My name is Tia Rivera and I'll be walking you through a quick fast start training to ensure that you start off on the right foot and are set up for all the success that I know you came here for. I want to start off by saying that I'm super excited for you and I'm so proud of you for making a decision that if you choose to stick to can positively impact your life in such a major way. So let's get started. If you're watching this fast start, I'm assuming you've already plugged into our community on Telegram via our investment group chat and you've set up either a demo and or live trading account. The purpose of this specific training is to help you navigate all that you have access to with our I Am platform. So here's what to expect. I'm going to log into my I Am Center. I want you to go ahead and feel free to follow along with me, as your I Am Center is going to serve as your hub where you can find direct access to everything, your academy, your go lives, and our strategy softwares. So on the top left corner, you should see your name. Feel free to upload a picture of yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to enroll into the academy. You're gonna come down here to where it says academies. And depending on what package you got started with, you're either going to see FRX or you are going to see HFX. I personally trade both, which is why I have access to both academies. So let's say you got started with FRX, which is the Platinum Pack. You are going to click on FRX. It is going to bring you a drop down that is going to allow you to enroll into the academy. You're going to see that you have access to a series of videos. This academy will serve as your foundation of education that is going to prepare you for the markets. It's a series of videos and quizzes. So you want to be sure that you're going through the videos, taking the quizzes, making sure that you're understanding what it is that you are learning. If you got started with HFX, you're gonna do the same exact thing. You're gonna click on HFX and you are going to enroll into the HFX Academy. I offer up that you put this learning into your schedule and that you make it a priority to excel in this skill every day, even if it's little by little. A video or two a day goes a long way, and these videos are not long. As you can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and click on one.
How's it going, everyone? This is Ness.
This video is only 6 minutes and 20 seconds. So they're not long, and there's no right or wrong on how much time you spend per day learning, as long as you are building consistency around your growth. Next, I wanna show you how to utilize Pip Talk. So you're gonna come down here and click on Pip Talk. Pip Talk is going to be a place where you can engage with the educators and the trading community of your chosen strategy or your chosen educator. So feel free to subscribe to one Pip Talk, multiple Pip Talks of your favorite educators, and the strategies that you choose once you discover what that strategy is going to be for you. In these forums, the educators will keep you up to date with their latest trade ideas, any information that they wish to communicate to you about their go live sessions, and you can receive these notifications straight to your phone by downloading the I Am Academy app, which I highly recommend. Just to show you an example of what I mean, I'm going to go ahead and click on Gold Cup, as that is a Pip Talk that I am personally subscribed to. Gold Cup is amazing. You're going to see here Lizaldo Tavares, who is an educator on Gold Cup, posted a notification that his trade idea hit take profit. You'll also see, like I said, any information they want to give you about their go lives, whether they're being postponed or canceled or they're happening. You're going to find it in that Pip Talk. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button for any Pip Talk you choose to subscribe to. Now I'm going to show you how to use Go Live. You're going to click on Go Live, and this is going to bring you to our Go Live website. I want you to note here that there are Forex basic tutorials on how to use the I Am Academy app, on how to navigate I Am Academy. Although I am showing you how to navigate it right now, there is a tutorial that shows you how to use Go Live, the support center, I Am Center, all of it. So feel free to utilize these tutorials for your benefit. Now let me show you exactly how Go Live works. This personally is one of my favorite features that I Am Academy has to offer. You get to learn from professional, seasoned educators live in real time. And I want you to see here, there are 13 different languages you can choose from. For the sake of this being my tutorial and me speaking English, we're gonna keep it on English, but you will see the top featured sessions for the week up here. If you scroll down, you get to pick your channel. So if you are enrolled in the FRX package, you would come down and click on FRX. That is going to bring up the FRX Go Live schedule. And as you can see here, there are so many educators to choose from. So you can create a Go Live schedule that fits around your schedule. We have the ability to shadow these educators to learn their strategy, to take live trade ideas from these educators. If ever an educator is live in the moment, you're gonna see their picture right over here. So right now, Zach McDonald is live. So I'm gonna click on this so you can see what it would look and feel like on a live trading session. So I'm gonna go ahead.
This is something
I just started
that I really
it.
just
I'm gonna
wanted to help
mute
people
him. But right now, this is a live session that is happening in real time. And as you can see here, you can engage with the trading community. I just went ahead and said, hey. And if you just want to see the educators' messages, you can click on my messages only. And at that point, you would only be able to see the messages that you have written and the messages that the Go Live educator has written. I do want you to know that during these live sessions, there is a 20-second delay. So you want to pay attention to the chat box. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. I want to go ahead and head back to this Go Live homepage. And I want to specifically go into HFX for a reason. For those of you who are on the HFX pack, I do want to say this. When it comes to HFX, all the trades that we take is based off of time, not necessarily based off of price. Why is that important? Because there is a 20-second delay. You want to make sure that if you are on a Go Live with an educator trading in real time, that you click my messages only. Although the video on the Go Live may have a 20-second delay, the messages that the educators are going to write in the chat box are in real time. So you want to pay close attention to the entry price that the educator will give you. My advice is that if you miss the entry price, that you let the trade go. You want to get in at the exact entry price the educator is offering up, or an even better entry. So by scrolling down, not only can you see the top featured sessions every single week, not only can you pick a channel based off of your subscription, but you can also continue to scroll and see strategy education. So if you want to learn more about the harmonics, or you want some mindset motivation, or you're learning about the vibrata, gold cup, bounce back, levels, DeLorean, you have access to all of those strategies and education. I just clicked on harmonics, and now that is going to pull up the schedule of all of the harmonic scanner educators. If harmonics is what I am choosing to learn, then I get to choose what educator I want to learn it from. And I want to note something for every single educator's Go Live. If an educator so happens to not be live, you can scroll down and you can see all of their previous sessions, as every session has been recorded. You can also click on favorite sessions and see some of the educators' favorite sessions that they have uploaded, so that you can go ahead and watch them anytime you choose. So there's so much that you have access to via Go Live. You have the recorded sessions, like I mentioned before. You have favorite sessions. If you come up here and click on this box, it's going to bring you back to the homepage. You have access to all of this live education. Please, please, please take advantage of it. Now let's head back over to I'm Center, and let me show you how the strategies work. So under Go Live, you are going to see strategies. They are softwares that scan the market, offering us potential trade setups for us to capitalize in the market. And you can leverage the educators, like I just showed you on Go Live, to help you learn these strategies. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you have access to if you have the FRX Academy or the HFX Academy. Now you'll see under FRX, you'll have access to what is called harmonics. Now, aside from harmonics, the rest of these strategies may be grayed out for you, and that just means that you have not added them onto your package, and that is okay. Everyone with the FRX pack should have access to harmonics. And like I mentioned to you before, it's just an algorithm that combines patterns. It's a software that scans the market for us. And once you click on harmonics, it is going to bring you to that software. Like I mentioned before, you can learn more about the harmonics if you choose to via Go Live. You can click on harmonics and get education on this software and these strategies from our Go Live educators. Now, let's say you have the HFX Academy. You will have access to what is called the Liberty Scanner. We have a team of international binary options experts that are giving you trade ideas via this Liberty app. On the right panel, right over here, you will see all of the trade ideas that are being called by these experts. And you can click on any of these trade ideas and it will bring you to the chart that it belongs to. As you can see, I clicked on GBP USD and it brought me to the GBP USD chart. If I click on AUD USD, it is going to go ahead and bring me to the AUD USD chart. I will drop a link in the description below to a series of videos that explain each of these strategies that the Liberty software has to offer: the Simple Scalper, Pickpocket, and Web Slinger. So if you're interested in learning more about how each of these strategies work and how you can profit using these strategies, check out the description below and watch those videos. Before we wrap this training up, I offer up that you create a free TradingView account. Now, I am already logged into my TradingView, but TradingView is a platform that we use to view the markets in real time. And you're just gonna come over to tradingview.com and again, create a free TradingView account. I personally have a pro account. You do not need to upgrade until you feel that it is necessary for you. I've also included in the description below a TradingView tutorial that is going to teach you exactly how to navigate this platform. So don't be overwhelmed. The tutorial does a great job on showing you what all of this means so that you're set up to win. Now, as we wrap this Fast Start training up, I cannot let you go without talking about one of the pivotal things that is going to help propel you to the success that you want. And that is developing a winner's mindset. Why? Because your attitude, the actions that you take, the results that you get will all stem from the way that you think, from your mindset. So I offer up, alongside going through the academy and getting on the Go Lives and doing all of this amazing stuff, that you work on developing this winner's mindset, someone who is consistent and committed and believes in themselves. Because I personally believe that the strongest factor for success is self-esteem, believing that you can do it, believing that you deserve the success that you want, believing that you deserve to make the income that you want to make, and believing that you'll get it. I also offer up that you develop your why. What's your why? Why did you decide to start trading? Why did you decide to partner with our I Am family? The reason why I ask you this is because when you know why you do what you do, even the toughest days will become easier. Will you come across adversity? Maybe. Will you come across days where you're in resistance to learning? Maybe. So it's important to develop a why that is going to motivate you to get on the Go Lives, to go through the academy, because at that point, it's crystal clear why you even decided to learn Forex in the first place. So is it because you want more time freedom? You want to buy some of your time back? Maybe you want to retire your parents. Maybe you want to get out of debt. Maybe you want to travel the world on your own terms. Maybe, like me, you want to fund your dreams. I'm thankful that I can say that I do what I love for a living. But the reason why I started businesses like this is so that I can do what I love because I love to do it and not because I have to pay my rent. Or maybe it's just because you want to be financially free. And this is a platform and this is a way that you saw that you can finally take control over your finances. These are just ideas, but whatever it is for you, write it down. Keep it with you always. And I also offer up that you share your why with the person who got you started. You also want to make sure that you are setting some goals. I love this photo. You set a goal, you make a plan, you get to work, you stick to it, you reach your goal, and then you're proud of yourself. Here are some questions that you might want to ask yourself. How many hours per week am I willing to commit to learning? How many go lives am I willing to attend a week? What's my income goal? Where do I want to be in 6 months from now? Where do I want to be a year from now? Set these goals, then be sure to put them into a schedule so that you can hold yourself accountable for the results that you want to see. Last but definitely not least, be patient with yourself. Give yourself grace. I know that if you're watching this video, you just got started, and there may be some of you who are either extremely overwhelmed or you're underwhelmed, feeling so many emotions ranging from being excited and happy to maybe even being a little nervous and anxious and unsure. And I'm here to tell you that that is okay. I was there at one point. I had just gotten started at one point, just like you're getting started now, not knowing anything about Forex or the journey that was ahead of me. But I believed in myself and I had patience and I stayed the course. And God knows that I am so thankful that I did, because when you stay the course, you get good. As you can see, that's the first step. And after you get good, then you get better. And then your best step is going to be found in your consistency. IM has not only positively impacted my life, but the lives of so many people around the world. And now you just became a part of that family. So stay the course, get to work. Welcome to our family. I am so excited for your journey ahead. Take care.